Hi, everyone. Welcome to 916 Career in Tech. My name is Lindsay Harima. I am the student support facilitator. And just a little bit about myself, I have a background in special education. I've worked as a high school teacher and case manager, and I've also taught at our Wells North transition program at 916. This is my ninth school year at 916 Career in Tech. My goal is to help you find success, build confidence, and become your own advocate. My contact information is here, my email and my office phone number. I also have an office in the Student Success Center, which is on the second floor, and your instructor will show you and give you a tour during the first couple weeks of school. So look for me there. A little bit about student support services. I can help provide academic support, such as help with organization, executive functioning, some assignments, understanding directions, help break down large or challenging tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, support your accommodations and modifications that are outlined on your IEP or 504 plan, provide interventions and problem solving strategies if you are struggling in your class, communicate with your homeschool and support team when needed, help you advocate for yourself and help you become more independent in those skills, and working with you and your instructor to help you find success. I will be around the first week or so in classes introducing myself, so I hope to meet you all soon. Have a great school year.